Hey guys, Rookie Lock here, back once again. I hope everyone's having a great day as always. And, well, it's been a couple days since I opened that box, that package from WestCoastPicks, and have not been able to get into this thing yet, so I'm going to try and do it today, and, well, I'm going to get into this one way or another today. If I have to fast forward through the video, I might do that, but I'm dying to see what's inside of here. Do have my guesses of what's inside, but I thought it was keys, but there's no jiggle, so I'm not 100% sure. Speaking of keys, it's still mummied up here. Grim by WestCoastPicks, and let's get into this friggin' thing. So yeah, my skills, actually let's try picking it counterclockwise. My skills with Dimple locks aren't good to begin with, so it being a challenge lock, it's been a tough one for me. And using homemade picks here that probably could be better. I've never actually had Dimple picks. Something I've always wanted, but I'm kind of cheap and I haven't ran into enough Dimple locks to justify buying a set. And my small pick here is extremely hard to get on those inner pins. I'm having to slowly advance as I'm turning it to try and get centered on that inner pin. I don't even know if they're ready to be picked, but maybe some of them are. And I kind of have to pick this thing a bit different than a normal Dimple lock, because I'm sure there's some overset traps. I was going to say trap pins, but yeah, I'm sure there's some overset traps and spooled key pins, so it'd be hard to tell if you overset. That's what I'm guessing anyway. Try clockwise. So yeah, I might fast forward through sections of this video to keep it at a decent length. Just dying to get this thing open though. Oh, that was no good. Oh, that was a nice turn. Oh, we're close. We have to be close. I doubt that we're on a key pin if we're that deep. Let's look for outers. Or inners, depending on which way you look at it. Wow, what the hell? How come I didn't get into this before? Well, I'm not there yet. Oh, yeah, we are. Oh, I'm not gonna drop those key pins down. Sweet. We get time to get this thing then. Okay, is that enough to... Yes, it is. So that's how he does it. He puts these... Well, we can lock it up since I have the key. lock it up, puts the cam on upside down, and cuts a cuts a little groove in the bottom here. So it's not keys, but it's a key of sorts. Holy crap! Wow, I got to get the calipers. I'll just use the crappy digitals, I guess. I'm gonna guess this is like 50 thousandths. Whoa. 45 thou, nice. Pretty much 50 thousandths. A human hair away from 50 thousandths. Man, WestCoastPicks does wicked work. Now, oh, let's keep that out. Let's look at this pick. Well, it's got to be 15. Man, look at that wood. Look at that handle. Oh, this is friggin' wicked, dude. Really nice shaped hook. I gotta get some. Actually, I gotta start practicing with thinner picks. I only have two 15,000. Actually, they're not even 15,000s. They're probably like 17, 18. But yeah, I rarely use thinner picks because I'm so heavy-handed that I worry about bending them. So most of my picks are right around 22 to 25 thousandths. And yeah, that limits the locks you can open because, well, there's some locks you need thinner picks to open them. I'm going to stop blabbing here and get with the gutting. Yeah, 15 on the dot. Wow. I got to get some of this stock. Man, I wish you guys could, this camera probably doesn't do justice to this. Wish you guys could feel this too. What kind of wood is this? Is that a type of burl? I'm not sure. I know Harley had made some burl ones in the past, but that is just awesome. Yeah, I don't think there's anything in there. Yeah, hell, why not? Let's just let's gut this thing. I don't care how long the video is going to be. If you guys are bored, just skip forward. Now we got to unmummify that key too. And we'll use Harley spinning tray. Check out the some of the pry bars I made with that titanium. The blue's pretty cool. Man, that shininess is screwing with the camera. Anyway, got the key here. I'll do this off camera. I'll retape this up. So here's the bitting. Oh yeah, so we got some really low cuts, and this one, I was pointing to the camera. This one here with the low cut and the higher inner was probably giving me some trouble. How are we gonna do this? No, can't really take the lock out of here. Might make it a little difficult, but we didn't even use a shim. Now I wonder how he did this. I think these pins are steel. Oh. These are coming out really nicely. Oh, sorry guys. Okay, now the tricky part. Might not be able to give you guys the best shot, but here we go. I wonder, I forget if these nabob cylinders, if the inner driver pins are like captive. Where are you? There we go. Oh, they're not captive. Okay, not touching the springs. Let's take a look at this. Oh, let's just slide that through. Yeah, they are captive. This one... Well, that's weird. That one's jammed. Pushing quite hard on it. But I don't want to... Oh, wow. Yeah, I gotta take these out. He did work to some of them. Oh, some of these are captive and some of them aren't, so maybe some of them are multi-lock pins? I'm not quite sure. But either way, look at the work done to this friggin' thing. Serrations all over, some spooling. So, double serrated, a spool, double serrated, spool, double serrated. And there's even serrations on the inners of some of these. And, wow, camera's not looking that great today. Serrated there. Standard number 2. Serrated in 3, single serration in 4, and a spool in 5. And 1 and 5 are like captive inner driver pins, where the rest of these have springs on them. That's really, really cool. And wow, these springs are small. I've got to be careful putting this back together. Anyway, I'll do that in a second. What can I say? Harley, I'm really blown away at your generosity, Ben, and like I said, it's going to be extremely helpful. Wow, these are beautiful. I can't wait to use these on some, actually, maybe for the Potty Dom S series. I actually have not really looked at the keyway. I got them right here. Let's look at one. You know what? It doesn't look that. Oh, it's not horrible, but so they probably would be helpful for this. I think all these keyways would be the same. So yeah, I know these picks are. This pick is really going to come in handy, and kind of curious about the tensioner too. It's actually really nice. Anyways, guys, 15 minutes. I'm going to leave you with that. Yeah, whoever gets this next, I'm anxious to see how they do with it. Hopefully they do better than I did with it, because it took me quite a while. Didn't take me too long to get it open now, but I've been picking on this for 3 days and didn't get anything, seriously. But yeah, there we go, guys. As always, appreciate you guys commenting, appreciate all your guys' support, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks.